Hey guys, welcome to my home. Let me show you my favorite room in the house, the kitchen. Small kitchen, very efficient. Everything's right here, 2 or 3 steps away. I can get to everything I want, so that's why I love it. This is a little European style fridge, which means it's very narrow and it's not that deep. One of the things I love really the most about this kitchen are the countertops. This is a honed marble, it's not polished, it's heat proof, which means I can put a hot Dutch oven or a skillet or saucepan down anywhere in the kitchen. You should stain it on the first day, and then you'll get over your fear because over time it looks really terrific. So I have a few all-time gadgets that I really love. Grating Ginger is always a problem. This little gadget, which I just picked up, is pretty cool. It has the grating's teeth right there. It has a little cover which you take off. And then when you're done, the thing I really like about that is that it comes out easily. This is a very inexpensive knife sharpener. It's handheld, it's not electric. And you put the knife down with the edge up like this. And you just put this like that, and you go like this. The next thing I really like is a mandolin for thinly slicing vegetables for almost any dish. This is really great. And finally, I have an olive oil bottle that I love. It's actually a Rachael bottle. The thing I love about it is that it's heavy and it has a little tiny tip. It's easy to get the olive oil in and out. You just pull this out. And it's also, you can't get any light in it, which keeps the olive oil nice and fresh. I keep a salt box like this right next to my stove. By the way, 95% of the salt you take into your body is from supermarket foods, processed foods, fast foods, and restaurants. Only 5% is from home cooking, so don't worry about the salt you put here. Really loved having you guys here today, and thank you so much for stopping by.
Because I love it. It's a beautifully done cookbook, and he's so dapper, and he's so fabulous, and he's so generous. Everybody is going home with all of these gadgets.